Hello everyone, this is a quick video on my Boker AK-74 automatic knife. The knife comes in this box shaped like an AK-47 magazine. The knife is made in Taiwan. The knife comes in a plastic bag inside this box. Very nice presentation, good looking box. The knife has a 3 1/4 inch blade, has a 4 1/4 inch handle, and it weighs 3.7 ounces. The blade steel is Aussage steel. This is a dagger point design with a partial flat grind. This is the Blade HQ 10th anniversary edition, and it's numbered BHQ 0025. The handles are blue aluminum handles. Have a lanyard hole, finger grooves. There's some jimping on the back of the handles. The pocket clip is a deep carry pocket clip with the finger grooves on the pocket clip. It is right side tip up only. The handles are flow through design. Blade says Automat Kalashnikov 74 on this side, and it has a Boker Plus logo. It's in the Boker Plus series of knives. This is a plunge lock design. You push in the button there and you close the knife, and you push it in to open the knife back up. Push it in, push down on the blade to close it. Push it in to open it up. I wear an extra large size glove, and this knife fits really good in my hand. It feels really good. It has some good grip. The finger grooves really work on this handle. I like the width of the back there. Again, I get really good grip on this knife, and has a nice design. That blade design, the dagger style, really good looking. Again, this is the Boker AK-74 automatic knife. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.